Now, now I will explain how to insert hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, you have already known the meaning of hyperlinks. It's making the link to open a data, from the internet or from your computer, making a links. For example, I'll do hyperlinks. For example, I'll type, I'll type continued or continuous. Watch movie, watch video, watch video, and then I'll put the links into this dash. Now please select and then go to insert hyperlinks. But is where, and then target. Now the target, you can choose directly to the target. You can choose the path. Maybe it's download or somewhere videos. For example, now my video is here, so my URL is, and then you can apply directly. And close. For example, I'll do, and then if you click, the hyperlink is going to open this location. Now, so hyperlinks is opening this video. That's called hyperlinks. The links put inside to this dash, and then you can also use the links. For example, I'll do the links. Now if you can use these shapes, you can insert the links into the shapes. Now please select the shapes and then insert hyperlinks. You can choose this from that's not from the internet, that's from the computer, so you can choose the directory non-glue points like this. If you choose like this, you can apply easily. Close. Shall we do the slideshow? This slideshow, if you click here, there's glue points will open. Glue points videos will be opened by clicking these shades. You can put the links into the shapes or tabs as you like this. So I believe you can do the hyperlinks. No, just moving. No, that you can move. This from dash, this from shapes, you can links, and also you can, for example, now I'm typing go to. If you click and then select and then go to insert hyperlinks from the internet, if you use the internet, you can. Now this is for the software like this URL, this file is called URL. Control save, copy, and then you can choose this target. This, you don't need to write this URL a lot, you don't need to write. Okay, apply, close. Okay, clicks. Now going to here, now going to here, you can see. So you can do the links by using hyperlinks. Okay, hyperlinks can refer short words, shapes, picture. No need to write a lot of URL, no need to write long sentence. If you want to go this directly, you need to write this long sentence. That long sentence refer to this go to short sentence, short words. Okay, hyperlinks is the shortcut way to open a data from your computer or from the internet. That's called hyperlinks. I believe you can do hyperlink easily.